It's Kaho Shibuya on live, on Insta Live. Hey. So I was just cooking. さっきまでお料理してました。じゃじゃん。居酒屋セット。キムチ。Okay, I didn't make kimchi because, you need time to make kimchi. So I just bought kimchi. I boiled or I cheated with a microwave. I did beans, mushrooms with garlic, and here is my favorite, fried chicken skin. I feel like I'm a master chef, but this is so not master chef quality, obviously. This is like for Japanese bar. I think if you're Japanese, you need beer. I'm actually drinking udon tea. I don't drink. I'm boring. Anyway. Yes, because it was actually my first time to fry things in my kitchen. So, at first, I had to protect my boobs. This is like a dangerous zone, right? Yeah. Obviously. So I actually wore a t-shirt, yeah, with this outfit. そう、さっき紹介したのは、キノコとガーリックを、ニンニクを炒めたものと、枝豆は電子レンジで、チンして、でも自分でね、
ナイスおっぱい
茹でた方がいいですよね。と、鶏皮の唐揚げ。鶏皮の唐揚げ大好きなんです。I love chicken skin.I'm not a big fan of chicken. I'm like, if you're American, because I watch MasterChef, I know you guys love chicken, but I'm not a big fan of chicken. I'm a beef girl. I like things beefy. そう、チキンはあんまり好きじゃないんだけど、鶏の皮はすごい好きなの。I love the crisp chicken skin.It's amazing. So it's pretty late in Japan. It's not past midnight yet. No, I'm okay. Because I have to write an article. Yeah, I was just asked to, make a piece of article. So I'm gonna, focus and use my brain. I need some calories. I need some, there's some protein on the skin, right? Yeah. So I needed something with my udon tea. 太るよって言われるかもしれないけど、お酒は飲まないので、お酒飲まない人なので、ウーロン茶を飲んでおりますので、はい、これから記事を書かなきゃいけなくて、そう、ちょっとまだ寝れないので、夕食食べてないし、作っちゃった。Alright, you know what it is? It's Insta Live, so you can ask me anything. Big hack from Germany, thank you. Hey. So there are so many people from so many countries.
Do Americans speak
How
good
am I
English?
doing? I'm doing fine. Soft and calm, like still water. Morning. Okay, it's near midnight. It's very, very close to midnight in Japan.
Where are you located?
Alright, because I just want to dive in to the dish. So maybe I'm gonna finish this soon. I want to ask.
Finish me off
No, I want to answer a few things. Chicken の皮。そうです、チキンの皮。Oh, you're a female fan? Thank you. That's very, very flattering. Yeah, chicken skin is awesome. Have I eaten at Soul Food House in Azerbaijan? Oh, no, I never been there. Do you live in Japan? I have to go. Chicken skin. Dude, just thinking about it, and it's just right there. Guys, I just have to go. Sorry. Okay, I love you, so I'll see you soon.
いただきます。
じゃあ皆さんまたね。あ、日本人の方、土曜日にエロポリ出ますから。There's an event coming up on Sunday, so if you live in Japan or close enough, please come. あと土曜の夜中にABEMA-TV に出ることになったので、多分生放送でも1週間見れるのかな。So yeah, I'm gonna be on ABEMA-TV too later. I think during midnight, like 2 p.m. 2 a.m. I guess. So yeah, please watch that too. Maybe those of you who live in overseas can watch that too.